In this video, I will show you how you can play YouTube in the background on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just open Google Chrome on your phone, then in the search bar, just search this. Now after you open the web version of the YouTube app in your Google Chrome, now in the search bar, just search the name of the video which you want to watch. Now after you open the video which you want to watch, then just tap on the three dots in Google Chrome, and from here just scroll down and enable desktop site. Now after you enable the desktop version of the YouTube app in the web browser, then just select allow, and from here just play the video which you want to play in the background. Now just go to your home screen. Now in the home screen, just swipe down from the top left of the screen and open the notifications panel. Now over here, just tap on this play button and you will be able to play the selected YouTube video in the background on your Samsung phone. So unfortunately, the answer is no. An AirTag cannot be paired, set up, or be tracked natively with a SIM. Just like that. Samsung phone or many other Android phones. An Apple AirTag. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.